Hi guys, welcome to part 2. Excuse me, bit croaky. I've got some coffee anyway. Right. Beast, part 2. Now I did a little bit on Beast this morning, which was to take care of the inside of the mouth and eyes. A bit bright at the moment, but we're going to rectify that a bit later. So leave that to one side at the moment. Base. What I plan to do with the base is put on some Agrax Earthshade. I don't use much Citadel colour, but the washes are quite good. So give it a good shake. If you use something like Nuln oil, it just kills colour. So what we're going to do is just paint it on all over, like that. Like that. Like that. And it should work into all the internal creases. If you've got too much on there, like now, you can take it off. Bit of kitchen roll. Like that. There's a bit underneath there, I don't like. Right. Like that. And we're going to leave that to dry. So I am going to paint the rest of the screen. And on to the next stage. Okay, so we've got B-sides to do. We've gone in with a bit of neutral grey, watered down, and a bit of wolf grey over the top, watered down. And now I need to bring a bit of colour into it, so we've got some watered down, what's it called? Moon yellow. So, yeah, watered down. Just want to colour the white, really. Just drop it in. Like that. Did that completely off camera. Right, so just drop it in. Like that. Okay. And we'll leave that to dry. Okay. Inside the mouth. We used Cavalry Brown. We're going to pick it up a little bit with two colours, which is Carmine Red and Scarlet. A little bit of that. A bit of water. Now we're just going to go inside. Just took the gums. Some of this lift is here. And comes there. And inside. Okay. Now I leave those two areas to dry. And we'll get on with some more blue. And it's a difficult one. Do I do this face? Nope, because the eyes are still wet. So, I've got this colour. Brand new, as you can hear. It's nice and consistency. And I just want to highlight a few things, just a few areas. And my brush is not going into a point. Okay, so let's see what happens. So just want to put it on areas that are more outward, raised. Just to give it a little bit of a lift. I can come back to that bit later. You can dry brush this if you want. Which might be a better idea for me at the moment. But I just want it to be a little bit raised. Not going mad. And good intermediate colour, which I haven't got, is gold magic blue. But already on this area here is lifted. Okay, I got lots of this to do. Right, so I'm gonna crack on. Some of this is gonna take me a while, and I'll check back with you later. Okay, second stage. I think I've got some explaining to do because I wasn't recording because I was watching Venom. Right. The base is still drying, but it's looking better. bit of dirt. That's that. Just don't leave it on there. Go back to it tomorrow. Beast. Still drying. Bit of careful. I did dry brush the hell out of this a little bit, and I went too far. So I give it a wash of ultramarine blue. There you go. And it seems to have come back. The colours come back, and I quite like it. It looks like a mad Sonic Hedgehog, really. Yeah, there you go. Let me know what you think. We'll sit on there like that. And that's like that. Yeah. So now I'm going to try and work on the skin tone. Do a bit in the mouth. Leave the teeth till later. Yeah. Okay. See you later, guys. On the next part.